Tell me about your shoes. You see that dog? Obi-Wan.
Sit. Come play with her.
Obi.
Come back. Come back.
Lissa doesn't want to move with her new shoes on.
Come pet the dog.
Careful, Obi. Obi!
Obi, you're getting wound up. Get out. Stay down.
What's that dog doing? Obi, sit.